have to prime these optical inductors in total darkness. Go turn off the left light switch over there by the door. The left. Okay, lights on. Did I just hear switch flipping 3 times?
Whoa, what do you mean?
I think the 3 sounds I just heard could be explained by an initial erroneous flipping of the right side switch, followed by a hasty corrective flipping of the requested switch, then, during the result of darkness and silence, yet a third shameful unflipping of the first switch. Is my assessment accurate?
Yeah, I guess that's how it played out. I'm sorry.
Alright, let's go.
What?
Come on!
Grab a shovel.
What?
Grab a shovel.
What was that?